Raw tamarind pods enter as dry fruit and leave as dense, concentrated paste. Every second removes waste, moisture, and risk until only market-ready concentrated tamarind paste remains.
The process starts with fully mature tamarind pods selected for paste concentration.
Only sound pods continue toward the factory-grade paste line.
The raw pods move as a protected dry agricultural input, not yet paste.
Receiving locks the pod lot before any paste processing begins.
Color, odor, moisture, and contamination decide whether this lot can become concentrated tamarind paste.
Rejected pods never enter the concentrated tamarind paste line.
Now the locked raw pod lot is released into manufacturing.
First phase begins by feeding the dry pods into controlled cleaning.
The shells are washed before they are broken open. Cracking opens the pod while keeping the pulp mass recoverable.
The cleaned pulp now moves from dry handling into wet extraction.
Warm soaking turns rigid pod pulp into extractable tamarind slurry. Seeds are removed here so the paste stays smooth and concentrated.
Before heating, the pulp is checked for clean flow and foreign material.
Second phase begins with controlled cooking. Moisture reduction starts turning pulp into concentrated tamarind paste.
Vacuum concentration protects flavor while removing water faster.
The paste must hit concentration and flow targets before filling can ever begin.
Final heating stabilizes the concentrated tamarind paste without burning it. Removing air protects texture, color, and shelf stability. The approved concentrated tamarind paste now enters the final production zone. Final assembly begins with the paste prepared for measured filling. Each jar receives the same measured mass of concentrated tamarind paste. Weight failures are removed before sealing. Controlled torque locks the concentrated tamarind paste inside the jar. Cooling stabilizes the sealed paste jar for handling. Only clean, sealed, verified concentrated tamarind paste jars move toward labeling.
Finishing begins by giving each concentrated tamarind paste jar its retail identity.
Unreadable labels stop here before any carton is packed.
The finished concentrated tamarind paste jars now become protected retail packs.
The retail tray is now tight, stable, and ready for case packing.
Case weight verifies the packed concentrated tamarind paste jars before palletizing.
The finished concentrated tamarind paste leaves the line as traceable cartons. The same concentrated tamarind paste jars are now secured for distribution.
After factory control, the concentrated tamarind paste reaches the retail shelf unchanged.
From raw tamarind pods to concentrated paste, every step protects one final jar.